welcome to my channel. So I haven't really reviewed a new product lately, so I'm happy that Viviva sent me a sample of their product. And so this is a color sheet. I'm sure you've seen this before, but it's my first time to have this type of product. And they sent me this really cute set, which has a wood cover, and you can also customize this. You can put your name, and then you can also add some more details. I don't remember asking them to put congratulations, so but that's okay. I asked them to put September 1, 2019 because that was the first day of my job as a full-time artist, and so it's memorable. I wanted it to be on this cover. And then included in this set is a water brush here. Then let's open the inside. So you have a garter here, and we can try to attach this sheet inside. Let me just open this up. So it says here that these are super vivid and transparent watercolors. You have 16 colors in one booklet like this. So maybe I can tell you more about this product when I swatch it later. And then, so the watercolor is placed on a paper just like this, and then you can just get a wet brush and grab some color. And they have some separation in between the sheets so that it doesn't stick to one another when it's wet. And this is a special paper. So now let's check out the other colors. I think that this is really good for traveling. If I had learned about this product before, I would have brought it to my trips, because they say that one color like this is equivalent to one regular half pan, and one set. If you're just gonna buy this booklet, I think this is the single set, it's going to be $19. But if you buy something like this with a cover, it's going to cost you $45. And then it will look like this. If you want to insert it over here, let's just try it. Okay, looks pretty good. I think I just have to cut this part away. And then I know that they have a special palette right here. So they also added a mixing palette, and you can stick it over here. So it says here, stick mixing panel here if required. Then you're gonna have to stick it over here. So while you're painting outside, this is really useful. But I guess I'm not going to stick it right now since I'm going to use a ceramic palette. Now let's move on to swatching. Alright, so now I have my paper here. This is from the Etralab postcard. So Etralab sent me postcards, and this is made of watercolor paper. It's 100% cotton paper. And I have here silver brush, black velvet, and then I'm gonna dip it in my water jar, and let's try to grab some color. It feels weird to grab color from a sheet of paper. Let's try. Oh, that is super pigmented. I'm gonna rinse my brush, and okay, so it does look very pigmented. It's not the usual crimson that I know. Crimson's usually a bit on the pink side. This one looks a bit more red. Now let's grab deep pink. Oh. Kind of look the same here. It's not the pink that I was expecting. Okay, but they do look a bit similar. Okay. Now let's try vermilion. Well, it's a nice vibrant color. Now let's try dust orange. It is very easy to grab the colors. Okay, so it's a nice yellow. So I was reading more about the Viviva Colorsheets, and it says here in the instructions that they recommend that you let the colors dry before closing the color sheets. I think that it's great that the color sheets are not sticking on the partition. So after using this booklet, I checked if some of the sheets stuck to the partition, but it did not, so that's a good thing. I also read that this is vegan and cruelty free. When it comes to being light fast, I read in their information that the reds and the oranges do not fade right away, but the blues and the black will fade. They suggest that you don't expose your paintings directly to sunlight, and that if you paint this in a sketchbook and you keep it close all the time, it will remain vibrant for a long time. So I will just continue swatching, and you can see how vibrant the colors are. And this is just part 1 of the video. I decided to split the videos because the file is too big. So I'm going to upload another video where I'm going to paint a floral painting using this color sheet. We are now on to the last color. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video where I give more insights about this paint.